Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this month, as I posted, as part of our Patch Tuesday updates for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, Microsoft rolled out KB5083769 as part of the Patch Tuesday updates. I'll leave the video for that linked if you'd like some more information. And as part of the update, one of the improvements that did roll out was for remote desktop, where Microsoft said that the update improves protection against phishing attacks that use remote desktop.rdp files. So basically the change strengthens how Windows handles .rdp files, reducing the risk of attackers exploiting remote access workflows. So that was the gist of the improvement. But shortly after the installation, users began reporting a new issue impacting the remote desktop warning dialog, where there was a bug that was causing visible UI problems, including overlapping text, cut-off buttons, and broken layout elements. Now, because of these problems, as part of the update, Microsoft now has listed this issue with remote desktop as an official known issue now as part of the update. So if we head over to the changelog, we can see as part of the known issues in this update, warnings related to remote desktop might not display correctly. Microsoft says that after installing the said update, the warning message that appears when opening remote desktop files might not display correctly in some cases. This issue can occur when you use more than one monitor with different display scaling settings. For example, one display set to 100% and another set to 125%. When this happens, the warning window might show overlapping text or partially hidden buttons, which can make the message difficult to read or interact with. So that's the problem. And I must just say that this remote desktop issue, I think, is going to be affecting more enterprise and corporations than your average home user. But nonetheless, just keeping you guys posted like we like to do on the channel, because as mentioned, it's an official known issue now as part of the Patch Tuesday update. Now, if you are experiencing this issue, Microsoft has provided workarounds to help the warning display correctly. So if you want to help the warning to display correctly, you can set the same display scaling on all of your different monitors. So how you would do this is you would head into your settings, navigate to System, Display, Scale and Layout, and as mentioned, set the same display scaling on all of your monitors. And Microsoft says that should sort the issue out. And Microsoft also says that if buttons or text are difficult to select with a mouse because of this issue, you can use the keyboard to interact with the warning message. So what you would do is you would press the tab on your keyboard to move keyboard focus between options. And then when an option is highlighted, press the spacebar to select it. So that's the keyboard accessibility option if you're having problems using your mouse because of the issue. And Microsoft says that it is investigating the problem and will release a fix in a future update. So I think there's a good chance that fix may roll out with our next optional bug fix series update. We are expecting to start rolling out next week, which obviously I'll keep you guys posted when that does happen. So I think this issue is going to be affecting more the minority than the majority. But it is a known issue regarding that update. So obviously just keeping you guys posted and in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.